I love the example that Dalia and Gary gave about Ethan, that they told him that, you know what, your son never gonna learn. He's just gonna learn, probably functional skills, how to clean a window, or maybe, and that's if just have, that's it. That's your child's destiny. So you have to live with that. But they say no. As a parent, they say, you know what, no. I think there's more of this. That's how they created this program, knowing that, you know what, no, I'm not going to have my arm crossed and just lead my son to destiny. And I say, no, they did something about it. So now we, the rest of us, are blessed that they sharing this with us. So that's the power you as a parent have. You're the decisive element of what your son or daughter is going to go. You have that power. Because if you just stay home and have faith that your teacher is going to do something, that your neighbor, your doctor is going to give you the right pill to make this happen, it's not going to happen. So it was a great eye-opening for me to see the power of this parents, how far it's going. As far as, now I'm a teacher doing the same strategies, the same interventions that they did to make their child successful. And all that writing and reading that we talked about a minute ago, it happened only because those parents one day say, you know what, no, this is not going to happen. We got to do something about it. So if you're watching this video, that's what you need to do. You need to do something about it. If you just sit down, it's not going to happen. So I think you're in the right track.